Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids. Okay, so I wish you all had a very good Sunday and a very good weekend also. So today again the weekend started and now it's the winter season and actually winter is getting over and spring is coming because March is getting closer and closer. And also, we can never forget our exams. So our exams are also getting closer and closer. So many things, many important things that are coming up. And I hope you all, are studying, but you should not only study for your exams. If you have you heard of the proverb that a dull mind makes the Jack, and Jack was a dull boy and Jack's mind became the devil's workshop. So you should never have a dull and idle mind. So you should study as well as play. So you should do both at the same time. That is where you have to use your brains. Okay, so anyway, let's start our show with a caller. Hello. 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 Okay, I guess the caller got dropped. Okay, so anyway, we are talking. My topic today also I'll be having a very good topic. Today's topic will be about a freedom fighter of India. So many freedom fighters, we have been talking about many freedom fighters. So today you must be wondering which freedom fighter am I going to talk about today. So today's freedom fighter is Rani Lakshmi Bai. So we all know about Rani Lakshmi Bai, right? She's a very famous freedom fighter, very famous woman freedom fighter. She's a very brave, freedom fighter also. So she was born on, November 19th, 1835 in Varanasi in India. So she was born to a Maharashtrian family, at Kashi. Kashi was the olden place. Now it's known as Varanasi. And in the year 1828, during her childhood, she was called by the name her friends and family used to call her Mani, and actually her name, the full name was Manikarnika. So that was a name of, that was her name when he was small. So affectionately her family members used to call her Mani. Anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello. Hello, what's your name? Minha, how are you?
I'm fine.
So Minha, how was your day?
It was fine.
So, what all did you do in your weekend, Minha?
Nothing.
So, you're simply sitting in the house watching TV?
Yeah.
Okay.
On Friday I went to Sharjah.
Okay, on Friday you went to Sharjah. Why you went to Sharjah?
Because my cousin's birthday it was.
Okay, it was your cousin's birthday. So, what's your cousin's name?
Shazza.
And here?
Shazza.
Okay, Shazza. So, how old is he?
1 year.
1 year old?
Yes.
Okay. So, did you buy him any gift?
Yes.
What did you buy her?
I buy her a gold chain.
A gold chain, okay. So, she must be very happy, right?
Yes.
Okay, anyway, Minha, which game would you like to play?
I would like to play GK.
You would like to play GK?
Yes.
Okay, but maybe GK might be tough for you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so your question is, when is Women's Day celebrated on?
Women's Day?
Yeah, Women's Day?
No.
No, okay, no problem, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you a clue.
Okay.
It was the day was last week. Last week, Sunday to Saturday. It was any one day.
Saturday?
No, I'm telling you, from Sunday to Saturday, that answer is there. So when is this?
Let me think.
Tell me the day only, okay? No problem. No need the date. Tell me the day.
Monday?
Monday wrong. Now one more clue. One more chance I'll give you. Yes?
Friday?
Friday, correct answer. It was just a guess, right?
Yes.
Okay, so anyway, the correct answer is Friday, no, not November. I don't know why November. Every day, most of the time. Today when I went to school, also I was my mom. Actually, my mom asked me the date. I'm like, it's November 15. So I'm actually forgetting. It's February, right? Yeah. So February 13th is celebrated as Women's Day because of Sarojini Naidu, who is the Nightingale of India. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now it's a new information for you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, Minha, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Minha who called us. And anyway, let's head back to our topic. That was Rani Lakshmi Bai. So I told you she was born to a Maharashtrian family in the year 1828. And during her childhood, she was called by the name I told you her friends and all used to call her Mani. But her parents used to call her Manikarnika, and also called her Manu also. At a tender age of 4, affectionately, actually, at the tender age of 4, she lost her mother. So, that's very sad news. And as a result, the responsibility of, raising her fell upon her father. So, her father had to take care of the child now. While pursuing studies, she also took formal training in martial arts, which included horse riding, fencing, and shooting. So, in the olden days, if we check, most of the women or the girls, they used to stay at home and they used to do the housework. But here the case was totally different. Rani Lakshmi Bai, she wanted to be one of the, she wanted to be brave. She wanted to fight for India's freedom. And she also was she went for shooting, horse riding, fencing, many things. Okay, anyway, let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Kale.
Kale, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, Kale, how was your day?
Good.
Good, okay. How was your weekend then?
Okay, very good.
Very good. Why? What was very good?
My cousins came to my house with my grandmother, and my grandmother went to India.
Okay, so that's sad.
Yeah.
So did you have an emotional breakdown? Did you cry and all?
No, I was sad in my school day.
Okay,
because she went in the morning.
Okay, they went in the morning, so you are sad in your school.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, so how many days did she come to visit you?
She came on November.
She came on November. Okay.
She a visa.
Yeah, so 3 months she stayed, right?
January.
So she stayed for 3 months.
4 months.
4 months. Okay,
Yeah.
I think that's more than enough, maybe.
Yeah. She attended all my family birthday, my mother's sisters, my mother's and my father's. But last time she attended my birthday, but this time she not.
Okay. So anyway, that's sad. Okay.
Yeah.
But anyway, 4 months she stayed. You must have had a lot of fun, right?
Yes.
Okay. So where all did you take your grandma?
We went to Dubai.
You went to Dubai? Dubai where?
Global Village, my cousin's house.
Okay, you went to Global Village. How, was it the first time your grandmother was visiting, Dubai?
No, she most of the time when she comes, it's the time when Global Village opens.
Okay.
So we always go to Global Village when she comes.
Okay, when she comes, always Global Village is there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, KL, let's head on to a game now.
Yes.
Which one?
Which one are there? Actually, I forgot to see the.
No, actually now only one is over. Now only GK is over.
Okay. Is there any special question?
I didn't hear you.
Is there any special question?
Special question? Today no special question.
Okay. I'll go for let me think. I'll go for sentence making.
Sentence making. Why sentence making?
It's a new one.
It's a new one. Okay. So can you tell me 3 sentences with the word family?
Family.
Yeah, family.
My family consists of my father, mother, and my sister.
Okay.
I love my family.
One more sentence.
I pray together with my family.
Okay.
3 sentences over, right?
Oh yeah, 3 sentences. Okay. So it is very good 3 sentences. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So anyway, KL, I'll be hoping for your more calls.
Yeah.
So anyway, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was KL who called us, and anyway, you know, we are talking about Rani Lakshmi Bai. So I told you she was born to a Maharashtrian family, and I told you she was a very brave little girl also. She fought a man's war. She was Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi. This is the lyrics actually. This is the lyrics of a song written in her honor. Actually, this Rani Lakshmi Bai, she was the queen of a princely state of Jhansi. Actually, she was the queen. So during the ongoing revolt of 1857, so actually this revolt of 1857 is also a very huge topic. I can't talk about it today, but you know, maybe next Sunday or maybe this week I will be talking about the revolt of 1857. So why was it caused? Because maybe only 5th graders and 6th graders will know this actually. So I'll be talking about, so you know, I'll be talking about this, so don't worry. Then the British government ordered that all princely state that do not have a male, male son or a male, maybe brother or something, will be taken over by the government. So this is the new rule in that place. In India, by the British India gave a new rule. So that is like, if there is no male sons or brothers or anything, then the government will take that kingdom. So that's a very bad rule actually. Okay, anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Devdarsh.
Devdarsh, how are you, Devdarsh?
Fine.
Welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Thank you.
How was your day today, Devdarsh?
Yeah, it was so nice.
It was so nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so Devdarsh, how was your weekend?
I enjoyed my weekend going to my cousin.
Okay, everybody is going to their cousin's house.
Okay.
Because, Minha called me, she also told she went to her cousin's house. Even I went to my cousin's house. KL also went to his cousin's house.
I think everyone likes their cousins.
Okay, so you also went to the, your cousin's house.
Yeah.
So what are your cousins' names and which grade are they in?
My cousin's name is Niranjan.
Niranjan, which grade is he in?
He's in 4th grade.
He's in 4th grade, okay. So do you play with Niranjan?
Yeah, we play cricket, football.
Okay, so many games.
etc.
So what is the favorite game you would like to play with him?
I like football.
You like football?
Yeah.
Okay, so football is your favorite game. Okay, so
Yeah.
Devdarsh,
Yeah.
can you sing a song for me?
What?
Can you sing a song for me?
Poem.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to sing Carmen and the Fishes.
Okay.
Rise, brothers, rise. The awakening skies pray to the morning lights. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn, like a child that has cried all night. Come, let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free to capture the leaping wealth of the tide, for we are the kings of the sea. No longer delay, let's hasten away in the track of the seagull's call. The sea is our mother, the clouds are our brother, the waves are comrades all. What do we toss at the fall of the sun when the hand of the sea god rise? He who holds the storm by his hair will hide in his breast our lives. Sweet is the shade of the coconut glade and scent of the mango grove, and sweet are the sounds of the full of the moon and sounds of the voices we love. But sweeter, oh brother, the kiss of the spray and the dance of the wild farm's glee. Row, brothers, row to the edge of the verge, where the lower sky meets with the sea.
Okay, so it was a very nice one.
Thank you.
Who taught you this?
My mother.
Your mother. Okay, so anyway, a salute to your mother. It's a very nice one.
Thank you.
Okay, so anyway, which game do you want to play, Devdarsh?
I want to play connecting.
Connection game. Okay, you start.
Embroidery.
I didn't hear you.
Embroidery.
Embroidery. Why, right?
Yeah.
Yuck.
Yuck.
Yeah.
A kite.
Kite. T. No. E. E. Elephant.
Elephant.
Yeah.
T.
Yeah. T.
Tongue.
Tongue. Tongue. E again for me. E. I.
I. E. Entertainment.
Entertainment. T. Tall.
Tall. L. Laugh.
Loss. Loss means LOSS, right?
H.
I didn't hear you.
Laugh. H.
But can it can you spell the the word?
L-A-U-G-H.
Okay, laugh. Okay, I heard loss.
Oh, I told laugh.
Okay, laugh. H, right?
Yeah.
H. Hill.
Hill. L.
Hill.
Long.
Long. Okay, anyway, it was very nice game.
Yeah.
So, did you like it?
Yeah, I liked it.
Okay, anyway, I hope I will be receiving your more calls.
Yeah, I will call you again.
Okay, anyway, thank you for calling Devdarshan. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, that was Devdarshan who called us. Okay, we are talking about Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi. So I told you she fought a man's war actually. So she was actually, I told you about the rule also, the kingdom will be taken by the government. Queen Lakshmi Bai was widowed and had an adopted son actually, but she refused to give her reign. When the troops of the colonial power arrived to the fort, they found it well defended by the army of Queen Jhansi. So actually she was not ready to give up her kingdom because she didn't have a male heir. Anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello?
Hello, what's your name?
Joseph.
I didn't hear your name.
Joseph.
Yusuf.
Yes.
Yusuf, how old are you?
6.
6. Okay, which grade are you in?
2.
2nd grade. Okay, which school?
Outdoor English High School.
Okay, so is this the first time you're calling me, Yusuf?
What?
Is this the first time you're calling me?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, Yusuf, do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have 2.
You have 2 brothers?
Yes.
Okay, so what are their names?
Anthony Varghese.
Anthony Varghese, okay.
Austin.
Austin.
Yes.
Okay. So, anyway, Yusuf, so, we have many games here.
What?
Do you know about the games we have here? Okay, anyway, let's go for a small game, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so tell me 5 words which start with the letter M.
Monkey.
Monkey. There are many words with, M, right?
Yes.
No, where do you go to, in the weekends and all, where do you go?
Mango.
Mango, okay. And then you don't go to Mango in the weekends?
Malls.
Malls, yes, correct. That was, I was waiting for that answer. But when I asked you a question, you told Mango for me. Now one more, last one.
Mobile.
Mobile, okay. It was very nice, okay? Okay, anyway, Yusuf, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Yusuf who called us. And, he's a very small little boy. And anyway, we are talking about Rani Lakshmi Bai. So, you must be wondering, about Rani Lakshmi Bai's life and all. So, I will be telling about more. And Rani Lakshmi, I told you she was widowed and she didn't have a, male hair in her, family. So, the kingdom actually came over to take her kingdom away. The government, the British people, but she fought with them and the British people understood. So, she has a very, well-maintained army. So, they were a little bit scared also. Okay, anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Sachin.
Sachin, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Thank you.
Sachin, so what all did you do today?
Today is a normal day.
Normal day. Okay, so how was your weekend? Did you see the Sharjah Light Festival?
Yeah.
How was it?
Good.
Okay, it was wonderful actually, wonderful. That is what you have to call it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was very nice. Did you see the part where, the lights went to the, that mosque area and all?
We saw that, but actually we couldn't see because a lot of traffic it was.
Okay, so you couldn't see.
Yeah, I just saw the mosque lighting, then the giant wheel. So I could see the Kasbah. It was full crowded because
Yeah, it was
people
really
were going
crowded.
towards that thing.
I couldn't even get one proper picture over there. Everything is like, everything is blur.
But if you want to go, you have to go to some buildings. Like people parking their cars in the road, they're putting doubles and going buildings and taking photos there. So it was so crowded and so many people got fined also.
Okay, so at the end, people got fined, people got punishment, many problems.
Yeah, because in some buildings only they are putting the roof next to the creek side.
Okay, anyway, Sachin, so normal day, everything normal, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Sachin, which game do you want to play?
Atlas.
Atlas, your favorite game is there today.
Yeah.
Okay, you start, Sachin.
Malaysia.
Malaysia, A, America.
A, Austria.
Austria, Azerbaijan.
Azerbaijan. A, New York.
New York, K, Kuwait.
Kuwait. T, Tanzania.
Tanzania, A, Australia.
Australia you told.
No, I didn't say Australia.
No, I told Australia.
No, you said Austria, right?
Oh yeah, Australia. Okay, Australia. Then Ajman.
Ajman, N, right? Netherlands.
Netherlands. S, Switzerland.
Switzerland, D, Dubai.
Dubai. I, Indonesia.
Indonesia. Okay, anyway, it was a very nice game.
Okay.
So, did you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so Sachin, do you know what is special on Friday?
It's a weekend.
Okay, that is also very special. But other than that, 14th, actually Saturday was Valentine's Day. So, what is special about?
Valentine's Day.
Huh?
Why not it was Valentine's Day?
No, Friday was not Valentine's Day.
I mean Saturday, yesterday.
Yeah, Saturday was Valentine's Day. So, what is special about Friday, do you know?
What?
What is special about Friday?
Friday is the only day where you get, where you don't need to go to school or for job. You just need to enjoy like that. It's
No, nothing, not like that. I'm talking like a day or something. It's a special day actually.
Yeah, it's a special day.
Okay, maybe you don't know the answer. Maybe, most of us don't know the answer. Anyway, the answer is, it is Women's Day.
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe you didn't know that. No problem.
Yeah, what do you do Valentine's Day?
Nothing special.
Yeah, for me also. Everybody is saying this was the worst Valentine's Day ever because today when I went to school, in the history, people were saying that Valentine's Day was not good day. We didn't enjoy, we were studying for SATs. Most of people didn't enjoy. In the school, out of 100%, just 5 or 10% enjoyed the Valentine's Day. Rest all 90 or 85 were not bothered.
Okay. Okay, anyway, Sachin, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was Sachin who called us. And anyway, now you must be wondering, I told you must be wondering about Jhansi Ki Rani's life and also let's go for a short brief video about that.